In a fiery new message, the Houthi leadership in Yemen basically said this: "We will fight Israel directly if needed. Not small attacks, not just drone strikes, they are talking about a full war." Well, this comes at a time when many believe that Gaza ceasefire had cooled things down, but actually the Middle East is heating up again. And the one country that has surprised everybody in the last 2 years is Yemen. Because Yemen, despite poverty, despite sanctions, despite a humanitarian disaster, has managed to launch long-range missiles and drones that hit ships thousands of kilometers away. Even the US Navy has been forced to intercept them again and again. So now the Houthis are telling Israel that we are stronger than before and we will keep fighting until Palestine is free. In the meantime, Israel is now deciding whether it should hit Yemen again or not. Israeli Air Force officials privately admitted that they are drawing up new target maps. American officials are nervous because if Israel strikes Yemen, Yemen will strike back, and this time they might target not just the ships but Israeli territory itself. This is not just Yemen versus Israel anymore. Behind Yemen stands Iran, with money, with tech, with intelligence. So the question tonight is, what is this really turning into? A regional message or a new front in the Arab-Israeli conflict? Because here is the uncomfortable truth. The Houthis have now opened the door for a direct Middle East war that does not rely on Gaza at all. And you know what? If that door actually opens, their geopolitical map from the Red Sea to Mediterranean, it could change overnight.